Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this puppy dog. It is pretty sharp for a clip art, but they want to trace it, but they want to remove, well, they want all one color. They don't want these three colors. They just want the dog to be brown. So I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to trace bitmap, outline trace clip art, and I've already opened up my color. So this is what your normal window would look like. But after it's showing you the preview, go to colors. And you can click on that one and you see it kind of put a mask over it. Hold down the shift, select that color, and then select that color, and go right here to merge. And what that did, that merged those three colors into one color. And pretty sharp, came out really good. And you can always, if you needed, to change that gray, if you go to object, group, and ungroup, you could take that gray and make it a white, if you wanted to do that. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.